You see this fence to my left? Well, it's not just a fence. Take a closer look. It's made out of over 1,000 automobile rims. So I'm all about recycling, upcycling, bicycling, but I just came across something that took it to a whole new level, and I had to show you. You see this fence to my left? Well, it's not just a fence. Take a closer look. It's a fence around this huge lot. It's made from over 1,000 automobile rims, all welded together. And yes, I did count them. The bottom row is buried underground, so this is incredibly sturdy. Now, it may not be pretty, but I sure can appreciate all the work and effort that somebody put into this to recycle and to reuse something that would normally get thrown away. So whenever I'm traveling, I'm always on the lookout for cool things that are repurposed and recycled. Like that fence. I also came across a bunch of other things on this trip that I wanted to show you that are upcycled. Check it out. I'll bet you've never seen a bicycle wheel chandelier. This one is made from two wheels actually, the front and the rear. It's wrapped in old license plates. This can't be what I think it is, a sewing machine sink? I did a double take on this one. Here's an old window turned into a wall planter. 3 glass panels have been replaced with wood, then metal containers added to hold a few plants. Now, old dressers are pretty common. Here's a drawer front with a couple of coat hooks added. This one I thought was pretty clever. I just might have to make myself a gas can hanging light in my own garage. This goes to show you that you can make a lamp out of anything, even an old soda fountain dispenser. Here's an old wooden luggage box, beautifully converted into a mini bar. 4 hairpin legs added, and this one is really cool. Here's a few neat industrial lamps, also known as steampunk lamps. Now, I've just shown you 10 extreme upcycled projects from a recent trip I had to Spokane. Now I want to take a minute to show you 10 extreme upcycled projects that I've done myself over the past couple years. If you want to see the full-length video on any of these, check it out on my YouTube channel, Alley Picked, under a playlist called Upcycled. So there you have it. With a little creativity, you too can make cool stuff from junk. Thanks for watching Alley Pick. Whoa, what's that over there?